Hi friends, my name is Mahdi. Welcome to this video, and in this session I want to talk about the title attribute. I talked in previous sessions about the ABBR tag, which had the title attribute. You can use this attribute in your web page elements. For example, I read the p tag and put a text inside this tag. Okay, I read this tag for you. P, opening and closing with a slash, and I read the text in here. For example, name, and I read the title attribute. Okay, for example, Mahdi. I save it, I open my web browser, I refresh this page. Okay, now you can see that's work. Okay, and you can use this attribute for your image in web page. Okay, I use the img tag for this example. I made a video about the img tag. Okay, src. Okay, and I write the style tag in here, style opening and closing with slash. Okay, I write my tag name, that's img opening and closing with, for example, 200 px. Okay, I save it, I open my web browser, I refresh this page. This is my image. Okay, I write the title attribute, for example, YouTube. I save it, I open my web browser, I refresh this page. Now you can see that work. For next example, I write the div tag. Okay, and I made a video about this tag, and here write div with, okay, 200 px and the height 200 px too, and I changed its background color, background dash color. Okay, for example, yellow, and I write the title attribute. Okay, for example, div tag. I save it, I open my web browser, I refresh this page. Okay, now you can see that's work. And for next example, I write the ABBR tag, opening and closing, for example, Mahdi. Okay, and title. Okay, age. Okay, I save it, I open my web browser, I refresh this page. Okay, now you can see that's work. And this attribute is very important and useful. Okay friends, thanks for watching. This session is over. You can support me by subscribe button, and goodbye.